Hello everyone, welcome to Zapyard. In this session, you will learn about the new elements introduced in modern ABAP 7.4. Let's get started. Now, what is ABAP 7.4? So, with the release of SAP NetWeaver 7.4 came ABAP Application Server 7.4. With that, the ABAP language had introduced new features such as inline declarations, constructor expressions, table expressions, string processing, SQL expressions, and many more. But in this tutorial, we will learn or only focus on inline declarations. Now, what is inline declaration? Inline declaration is a new way of declaring variables at operand positions. You declare them not separately or in the beginning of program, rather within the code that uses them. Let's start with a simple assignment example. In classic ABAP, usually we first declare the helper variable of certain type. In our case, it's lv_text, which is of the type string, and then we assign the value to it. Simple? Now let's see how it works with ABAP 7.4. With ABAP 7.4, it's more simplified. We can declare and assign the value to the variable just in one single statement using the data declaration operator data. Technically, the compiler takes the privilege of identifying its data type during syntax check. Now, what to remember is that we use declaration operator data to define all of our inline declarations. And what's the advantage? Instead of declaring all the helper variables in a huge program, you can use inline declarations and save several lines of code. Now let's learn how to declare internal tables or structure. Suppose we want to get data from Mara table for certain fields. Previously, we used to define structures with relevant fields and then declare the data objects for internal table or work area, and later we use them to fetch data and to process the data. So, with the new version of 7.4, we use declaration operator again data to declare and use internal tables or structures at one go. Note that we use operator, which is called escape character, to declare internal tables with select query. The escape character here identifies the host variable and differentiates it from fields of database. Also note the comma addition to the select query. It's used to separate fields list of the database table. Things to note here is that we use declaration operator data along with the escape character to define internal table or structures, and we use operator, which is called escape character, to identify the host variables of ABAP program. Simple? Let's move on. Now, let's learn how to declare actual parameters. Suppose we need to get material data using a method get_data of the class zcl_material. The actual parameters returned from the method are explicitly declared in the program. Let's have a look at how do we declare that using ABAP 7.4. Now ABAP 7.4 enables the inline declaration of actual parameters. You can use data operator to declare the actual parameters from the method, and the compiler does identify the type of each parameters. How simplified is this? Let us learn about the inline declarations for field symbols. In classic ABAP, you declare field symbols with field symbols keyword, and you basically use it with loop construct, read table construct, also while assigning value from one field symbol to another. So with ABAP 7.4 version, we use field symbol operator and we declare field symbols using this field symbol operator inline. Note that there are three different basic scenarios of inline declaration using field symbols. One is with using loop construct, the other is using read table construct, and also while assigning value from one field symbol to another. Let's move on to reference variables for factory method. Use the factory class CLSAL with table, we declare reference variables separately and its objects are created within the factory method. So later, the reference objects are used to define layouts and display data in ALV. But with ABAP 7.4, you can now declare all of your reference variables inline as shown. In comparison to previous versions, this has reduced the number of lines of code by half or less. Note that we are again using the data operator to define reference variables. That completes our session on inline declarations. For more such videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe to zapier.com. Thank you for watching.